Hi, my name is Emma and I'm currently a third year studying physics at Warwick University. I always enjoyed science growing up, but I was never particularly interested in science as a career. In fact, when I was younger, I wanted to study English as I'd spent most of my time growing up reading books. I remember when I was about 13, I went on a family holiday to NASA and decided that space was really cool and that I'd love to be an astronaut or be a rocket scientist. The first time I remember actually enjoying science though, was at GCSE. I think I was inspired by how enthusiastic my physics teacher was and how physics just explained the world around us. This subject that had once seemed really hard and impossible was suddenly interesting, and I found that the enthusiasm my teacher showed to the class to just be infectious. So then I made the decision to study physics, maths and computer science at A-level. I had no idea what I wanted to do with these subjects. I just knew that I found them really interesting and that I wanted to know more and that I had a lot of questions that I wanted answering. So I ended up enjoying physics so much at A-level that I decided to study at university, which is how I've ended up studying physics at Warwick. I remember when I started being quite apprehensive about starting on a course that was typically full of boys. And I wondered whether that would affect my time studying at university and I would feel overshadowed or overlooked, but in fact I've just found the opposite. I feel so empowered to be a woman in the physics department. I've met some absolutely amazing and intelligent female friends on the course who are proving all the stereotypes about women in science wrong. I've never felt left out or not listened to by other course members, and I would say that I really do feel equal to everybody else on the course. Looking back, if I could give one piece of advice, I wish I hadn't been as worried about what others would think, and I just followed what I had a passion for without worrying about it all. So I'm currently doing my final year project, which is a medical physics project on the terahertz imaging of skin. And this project aims to investigate different types of moisturiser to see hydration effects on the skin, and this kind of thing can help dermatologists plan treatment for skin conditions such as psoriasis and eczema. This project is headed up by an amazing female supervisor, Emma McPherson, who is at the forefront of this field, and she inspires me to do really well in this project. This technology has some amazing alternative uses. It can help detect and improve surgery for skin cancer, and it can improve the healing of scars and burns on the skin through the analysis using terahertz. I think the fact that I'm studying something that could have a massive impact on someone's life is what inspired me to want to study medical physics further. So moving forward, I'm currently in the process of applying for master's degrees and I'm hoping to study medical physics. And I think in the future I would love to work in radiography or study radiation. So I think finally for me, being a female scientist at the University of Warwick is empowering, exciting and rewarding. It definitely has its challenges. I think that's the same for every subject, but I've got such an amazing team of people around me. And overall, I would say if you're thinking or you're deliberating about a career in science, go for it.